Hubbard Whitfield. Come on down to Crazy Hub's used car lot.
Reload the brush to a nice sharp chisel edge. Go through the same procedure. Let's have another one.
Home repair. Home repair. Mr. Bureau. Build it. Fix it. Home repair. Build it. Mr. Bureau. Home repair.
We are legally obligated to say the following things. All explosions, unless otherwise stated, are simulations. No intentional explosions occur in home repair. Mr. Bureau is not flammable nor explosive. He is actually a nice guy.
Hey, Westmount! Welcome to Westmount News. As always, I'm your host, Mr. T. Coming at you live from room 95 in the studio.
With our state-of-the-art studio featuring custom sound panels, a green screen and white screen, professional lighting, and sound recording, not only is this location the greatest Comtech room in all of Westmount, it was recently named the #1 Comtech room in Canada by Comtech Rooms magazine. Utilizing high-end Canon cameras with a wide selection of professional lenses, students in the Comtech program can create the video projects of their dreams. From commercials to short videos to promos to horror movies and comedies. Your mini Hollywood is right here.
Let's give it up, live it up, baby.
Photos, magazine covers, magazines, advertisements, lookbooks, and photojournals, all ready to be made by you. How about sound, recording, engineering, mixing? Well, you came to the right place. Adobe software, Premiere Pro for video editing and sound, Photoshop for photography and graphic design, Illustrator for vector graphics, After Effects for special effects.
All right, Westmount, that's all for Westmount News. If you want to take Comtech, it's TGJ20, TGJ3M, TGJ4M. Stay classy, Westmount. Holy cow! That was incredible!
Awesome.
That was
Excellent.
incredible! How did you do that? How do you do it?
Well, it all started back in, it all comes down and thank my transportation teacher, Mr. Kuehl. He taught me not only how to repair cars and motorcycles, but also how to do my own stunts.
Tell us about, like, how did you get started in all this?
How it got started, so it all started way back in grade 9 in exploring technologies. Mr. Kuehl walked us through how to rebuild an electric motor, and it basically blossomed from there. And it was through that opportunity that I'm able to do all my own stunts today.
Well, I tell you, you certainly are a motorcycle superstar. All right, Jim, back to you at the news desk.
Hey, is this on? All right. Hi, I'm Mr. Scarcelli, and welcome to another episode of Homes of Hamilton. In this episode, we're going
to... Come on, Scarcelli!
Hi, welcome. This is Mr. Scarcelli, and welcome to another episode of Homes of Hamilton. In this episode, we are going to...
Cut! action.
Hi, welcome. This is Mr. Scarcelli, and this is another episode of Homes of Hamilton. In this episode, we're going to journey out and find some of Hamilton's most modern homes. So, what did you think? If you have any interest in doing this kind of design work in the future, there's a great course at your school, Westmount, taught by my older brother, Mr. Scarcelli, and he will show you a bunch of wonderful things. You can use great programs like this AutoCAD program. And there's this program called HomeStyler. Allows you to design floor plans and interiors. Was that of any interest to you, kids? Yes? Are you interested in design? Are you at Westmount and want to know more about designing these wonderful homes? My older brother, Mr. Scarcelli, he's a teacher there, and he knows about these things, and he can show you how to use programs to design your future modern home.
Look, up in the sky. It's a craftsman. It's a tradesman. It's manufacturing man. Turning awesome projects on the engine lathe. Able to fuse or cut metal with powerful equipment. This amazing stranger from our Westmount Tech Wing. The man of ferrous and non-ferrous material. Manufacturing man. Possessing remarkable manufacturing skill, Manufacturing Man continues to teach his students to create their own custom manufacturing projects. Manufacturing Man's secret identity is closely held, but some say it is Mr. Sekula, the manufacturing teacher at Westmount Secondary School. Manufacturing Man! Act now, and you can make hammers, lightsabers, metal gizmos, chess pieces, candle holders, pen holders, cannons, games, trains, and automobiles. And of course, challenge yourself to lift the mighty hammer of Weiss.
Welcome everybody to class. Today is a very, very, very special day. Today we have a special guest. Who remembers what day it is today? That's right, Career Day. And on Career Day, I brought in a very special guest. His name is Mr. Binato. And he's from Westmount Secondary School. And he's here, and he's brought so many interesting things that we're going to look at. So please join me and welcome Mr. Binato.
Well, my name is Mr. Binato. Thank you for having me here today for Careers Day. So I'm going to talk to you about a couple things that I do. Okay, so here we have a few things that I have you do as a safety project to kind of get you introduced to the machinery. After you do the safety, we talk about different projects. And one of the things we have you do is this cell phone holder, which you can put your cell phone on. Also, if you like, we have a little speaker. And then we have other little projects that we have. Candles, tic-tac-toe, some games, reindeer, right? Billiards. So in grade 10, you have two options. You have a three-legged table, with a curve which you can design and modify as you wish. And the other one here is got a shaker table, has a built-in drawer. Again, you can modify the top to how you want it to look. Then we have in grade 11, we have this little end table here with 2 doors and a drawer. So over here we have our main grade 12 project is our Muskoka chair. We have our penny board or nickel board, and then we have our classic skateboard, and then we have the longboard. And these are things that you can modify and change the sizes as you wish. We also do the finer things of woodworking, and when we talk finer things, we're talking about jewelry, some bracelets. You can make some nice little rings for your loved one, all right? For those people who like to play the guitar, find a little case for your picks to put in, all right? And then bow tie, which you can see is being well used. And then my favorite is the pens. You make a classic wooden pen and you buff it up to the sheen that you like, and you can pick different colors. So those are the finer things, and then you can also make yourself a nice jewelry box to go along with that, and a nice little package to take home. So there's something for everyone, all right?
Thank you so much. Now kids, if you want to take construction and you want to build some of these, the course code is TCJ20 or TCJ3C.
And don't forget.
And don't forget,
Grade 12.
grade 12 too, TCJ4C. Please join me in thanking Mr. Bonotto for coming.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure. Great audience.
You're welcome,
You
sir.
have a great class here, sir.
Yes,
All
Thanks, Alex. Computer programming for 100, please.
The answer is, this Westmount course has a course code of ICS20. Mr. Trink.
What is computer programming?
Correct.
Computer programming for 200, please.
This software platform is used to create video games that can run on mobile devices, laptops, and desktops. Mr. Trink.
What is Unity, which is used in ICS 3U?
Correct.
Computer programming for 300, please.
C, C++, Python, HTML, and Java. Mr. Trink.
What are the programming languages used in the grade 12 computer science course?
Correct.
Computer programming for 400, please.
Daily double.
Ooh.
You can risk up to $1,500.
Let's make it a true daily double, please.
These 2 technology-based special high school programs provide certification opportunities, trips, guest speakers, and so much more. Name 2 such programs with a focus on tech courses.
What are specialist high skills majors? ICT, which is Information Communication Technology SHISM, and Construction SHISMs.
Correct. And now it's time for Final Jeopardy. The category is education. Here is your final clue. What is the best way to learn about computer programming? And now we go to Mr. Trink, and he wrote down, what is bit by bit and by taking ICS courses? That is correct, Mr. Trink. You are tonight's big winner. You really know your computer science.
You guys might know me as Darth French, supervillain and ruler of the galaxy. But during the day, I'm a regular guy, a computer engineering teacher at Westmount Secondary School in Hamilton. As a computer engineering teacher, in my courses, I will teach you how to fix computers, how to build and program droids, how to solder lightsabers. You will learn the ways of the Force and how to make your droids do your bidding. You don't have to be a Jedi or a Sith Lord to take the course, but it would be nice. Obviously, I prefer Sith Lords. Join me, and you will see the true power of computer engineering. And together, we will rule the galaxy!